What's up, boys?
Got a customer, brought us a little mouse. This is the beginning. So as you can see it, this perfectly tidied up and extremely organized desk. Looks like a gaming mouse. We've got a bunch of switches. This thing looks pretty useful. Problem is, he went for a little drive. He'd done a little running over. So, severed all these wires. What we're gonna have to do is remove the insulator jacket around each wire and then bind all 5 wires individually and then re-jacket them as we go. So, let us get started. True disclaimer, I have not done this particular thing before, so hopefully it works out. What we're doing is a little wire prepping. We're just prepping each one of these wires to be joined. We got some nice, beautiful threads, don't we, Tyler? Yes. Okay, we're gonna do the same on these bad boys. Get them prepared and ready. So right now what I'm doing is just stripping these wires down. That way we can go ahead and twist them and then bind them with some solder. That way we can reestablish connectivity and ensure that the bind is gonna hold. We're gonna do them one at a time. So we have 5 to do, okay? So I'm gonna tuck back all of the other ones that don't matter, that I'm not messing with, as I go at these one at a time. Really, what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist, twist, and tighten, twist and tighten. We're then just gonna flip on our fume extractor and our soldering iron. I'm gonna apply a little bit of flux, and I'm gonna get my good wire here. And this method is applicable to basically any type of wire soldering that you would need to do. It's all gonna be the same in terms of like the method of rejoining and grouping. So what I'm doing is I'm tinning my iron and I'm gonna come up from the bottom to join those. Not looking as pretty as I want it to, so I'm gonna pin it. Tweezers. We've got one joined. That's a pretty good bond. Okay. And of course, I didn't give myself enough slack, so I need to remove some more of the jacket so that it's easier to bind these. Who do I think I am? Tiny Tim with these little hands I can just get in there? No, I got man hands. Before you even start twisting yours, is twist the current ones you have as much as you can, which may be easier to do with this guy. He's not really used for working with small wires. Yeah. Nice. Reveal some more of this black one here.
Mr. Master, that's so hot. Can you turn down the temperature?
Who gives a shit? for you. I got it. Okay. So now we're just gonna cut a couple pieces of tape. We got 5 wires, so we're gonna wrap all 5. Okay, so right here, what we're gonna do is individually wrap each wire to make sure that it doesn't make contact with the other wire. That way we don't have to worry about data getting, like, you know,
Crossing paths.
way too big a piece of tape. Okay. Up our boy. If you're a pro, you already know what it is. If you're not a pro, get off the channel. Should be good. Let's go find out. Oh, we got a red light. Ah, see?
How dare you?
Okay, the mouse is working great. Homie has the sensitivity of this mouse on max. This thing is like insane.
Does it have buttons on it?
Right click works, left click works. Yeah, I just soldered all 6 wires. It's a gaming mouse, so he has it like at the highest sensitivity. You move it just an inch, and it's game on, pal.
Nice.